guys, welcome to my channel again. So this is your host Bebski118. Yes, I know it's been a while since I uploaded my YouTube video. So as you can see, I'm busy. Yes, I've been so busy with work-wise and on my health as well. But tonight, we are going to talk about one of the products. So, I haven't uploaded any reviews, but for tonight, we are going to do a review for a Dreame. So, this is a Dreame, one of the Robo vacuum. So they said that it was a good one because it is a self-emptying Robo vacuum. So we are going to unbox this one. And for sure, you know why I bought a Robo vacuum. Come on here. It's because of him. Bob the wrecker, not Bob the builder. So this boy here keeps on making a mess on my floor. And I'll show you. You can see this box. He already tried and chewed them. So he's trying to open it himself as well, you see? He's been a naughty boy, this one. Look, this one is a naughty boy. But he is my gorgeous boy. Okay, so let's go back here. Alright, so I'm going to unbox this one and we will see how good it is, okay? So, it's quite a big box and it looks like a bit heavy too, but I'm going to try not to really lift it because of my injuries, alright? I think it's a bit heavy. Let's try. Uh-oh.
Oh, you're so funny.
Really. Can you help me, Bob? Bob, can you help Mommy? So here it is. This is our Dreame Bot Z10 Pro. It is an auto-empty robot vacuum and it mops as well, which is good. So as you can see here, that's how it looks like. So that's the Robo vacuum and that's where it is the self-emptying emptying of the robot. So it's just go back there, it will just suck it up, go into that dustbin, and I think it's lasts for like a month or two. So let's just try and open it. I'm opening it now. Let's see what's inside. Here. All right, guys. So here is the vacuum, the Robo vacuum, Dreame. So we've already removed that protective matter on the side, and I've installed the brush as well as the mop, okay, thing. And now it says that I should charge it. So I'll be charging it first, and I'm gonna download the app as well so we can start cleaning.
Eating while cleaning. Mga pangarap ng mga mami nasa bahay. You're eating and someone is doing some cleaning for you. So let the Dreame do the job for you, mommy. See? Let's eat.
What is it, Chloe? Hmm? What is
Start
it, Chloe?
charging. Start auto empty.
What is it, Bob? Chloe?